Hello everyone, I'm James.
And I'm Amy.
And today we're going to take you through the Classrooms feature on Wakelet and show you how to import and manage your student accounts.
We'll be showing you how to get started along with some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of the amazing feature.
We built Classrooms to help you have more control and better scope over your students' work on Wakelet. The feature is designed to not only help you import your students and create safe, secure accounts for them, but also have a complete view over the collections they create.
Wakelet Classrooms will save you time and make a real difference to the way you share and receive collections from your students. It's designed to make your teaching experience more seamless than ever, whilst providing your learners with a private, secure environment where they can develop their skills, record their achievements, and complete assignments.
Let's dive right in and discover how you can take your Wakelet game to the next level. Head to your Wakelet home area and look for your Classrooms at the top of your screen. If it's not there, head to the three dots in the top right, click Account Settings and make sure you switch to an education account. Turn this on, click Save and you're ready to go.
To create a classroom, click the Create Classroom button in the bottom left-hand corner. You'll see three options: Google Classroom, Microsoft or Clever. Log in using your existing Google Classroom, Microsoft or Clever account and you'll be able to select the class that you would like to import through. You can then enable the features you would like your students to have access to. Once selected, click Create. Your classrooms will appear on the left-hand side panel. Click into your classroom and you'll be able to see your students' accounts.
Please note, if it says pending, this means your student already has a Wakelet account. They'll need to log into Wakelet, accept your request to join your class, and this will merge their existing account with the new one you have set up for them.
In your classroom area, you can create collections for your students to be able to view, or invite them to edit and add content to your collection.
Once you've made your collection, you can make them view only or set them to be able to edit, meaning each student can add and collaborate in that collection. Remember, all collections that you create here in your classroom are viewable to the class.
In each class, you'll see your students. Click on the students and you can access and edit all of the collections they've created in that class. You can easily look through their work, assess and provide feedback.
You can also view their Wakelet profile, where they can start organising their collections and begin creating their portfolio. Please note, only you and your student can see this profile.
You can edit your classroom at any time, sync new students, change the name of your class, or enable new features. And that's Wakelet Classrooms.
Your students are now ready to create amazing projects, assignments and portfolios with Wakelet.